Here are some fascinating facts about eastern box turtles. Species name: the eastern box turtle belongs to the species Terrapene carolina. Habitat: they are commonly found in the eastern United States, ranging from Maine to Florida and as far west as Michigan and Texas. Size: adult eastern box turtles typically measure between 4.5 and 6 inches in length, with females generally being larger than males. Shell: their shells are typically domed and hinged, allowing them to completely enclose themselves for protection. Diet: they are omnivores, feeding on a variety of foods including insects, worms, fruits, and vegetation. Hibernation: during the winter months, eastern box turtles hibernate in shallow burrows or under leaf litter to survive the cold temperatures. Temperature regulation: eastern box turtles are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources of heat to regulate their body temperature. Sex determination: the sex of eastern box turtle hatchlings is determined by the temperature at which the eggs are incubated, with cooler temperatures producing males and warmer temperatures producing females. Threats: eastern box turtles face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss, road mortality, predation, and illegal collection for the pet trade. Conservation status: they are listed as a species of special concern in many states due to declining populations. Shell growth rings: similar to tree rings, the growth rings on a box turtle's shell can be used to estimate its age. Distinctive patterns: each eastern box turtle has a unique shell pattern, which can be used to identify individuals. Nocturnal: while they are primarily diurnal, eastern box turtles may become more active during the cooler parts of the day and may also forage at night. Shelter seekers: eastern box turtles are known to seek shelter under logs, rocks, and vegetation to escape extreme temperatures and predators. Social behavior: although they are not social animals, eastern box turtles may congregate in areas with abundant food or suitable nesting sites. Communication: they use various vocalizations and body language to communicate with each other, especially during mating season. Shell maintenance: eastern box turtles shed their scutes, the individual plates that make up their shell, periodically to allow for growth and repair. Predators: common predators of eastern box turtles include raccoons, skunks, foxes, and birds of prey. Territorial behavior: male eastern box turtles are known to exhibit territorial behavior, especially during the breeding season. Mating rituals: during courtship, male eastern box turtles will often bob their heads and circle around the female to display dominance. Nesting: female eastern box turtles typically lay their eggs in shallow nests dug in sandy or loamy soil during the summer months. Clutch size: a female eastern box turtle may lay anywhere from 1 to 11 eggs per clutch, depending on factors such as age and environmental conditions. Incubation period: the eggs of eastern box turtles typically hatch after an incubation period of 70 to 90 days, depending on temperature and humidity levels. Nest predation: eggs and hatchlings are vulnerable to predation by a variety of animals, including raccoons, skunks, and ants. Parental care: once the eggs are laid, female eastern box turtles provide no parental care to their offspring. Fledgling survival: the survival rate of hatchling eastern box turtles is relatively low, with many falling victim to predators or environmental factors. Sexual maturity: eastern box turtles typically reach sexual maturity between 7 and 10 years of age. Population decline: eastern box turtles are facing population declines across much of their range due to habitat loss and fragmentation, road mortality, and collection for the pet trade. Conservation efforts: various conservation efforts are underway to protect eastern box turtles, including habitat preservation, road mitigation measures, and public education programs. Cultural significance: Eastern box turtles have cultural significance to many Native American tribes and are often featured in tribal stories and folklore. State reptile: the eastern box turtle is the state reptile of North Carolina. Scientific studies: eastern box turtles are the subject of numerous scientific studies focused on their behavior, ecology, and conservation. Temperature preferences: they prefer temperatures between 70 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal activity and foraging. Longevity in captivity: eastern box turtles can live even longer in captivity, sometimes exceeding 100 years with proper care. Natural camouflage: their shell patterns and coloration provide excellent camouflage in their natural habitats, helping them blend in with leaf litter and vegetation. Pet trade: despite legal protections in many areas, eastern box turtles are still illegally collected for the pet trade, which contributes to population declines. Zoo exhibits: eastern box turtles are often featured in zoo exhibits to educate the public about their biology and conservation needs. Hydration: they obtain much of their water from the food they eat, but will also drink from puddles or shallow pools when available.